What's up you guys? Thank you so much for the support, especially to our Indian friends who direct message me on Facebook. If you are new, please do yourself a favor, subscribe and follow our Facebook page. And I really love it when you direct message me asking for assistance in troubleshooting your printer or computer. So today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble an Epson L120. Okay, for the part 5, this time I am going to show you how to remove or replace the printer head. So removing the printer head is very easy but risky, same as losing your whole printer. The price for the printer head in Philippine peso is about 2,500. So you must take care when handling the printer head, or else it's better for you to buy a new printer than buying a printer head alone. I won't explain further on how to remove this cover. You wanted to see the step-by-step process in removing the cover on this one. I want you to refer in the part 1 of our video. I've shown you there the step-by-step cover removal. So printer head is right under here at the bottom, so we are going to open from here, from this one, the hose. Be careful not to wound this hose once it is wounded, and if you touch it, it's very soft. And then lock, for the lock here, these are the cartridges. Okay. And you can also see the printer head right here. So next is this white part here. This is the carriage assembly, so we are going to remove this for the printer head screws to be seen. The lock for this one is in the sides, so you have to unlock it by pushing. Okay, pushing then pulling, it's by at the same time. Push then pull. Okay, so here it is. Oops. Then the screws for the printer head now are visible, 1, 2 and 3. Just unscrew them. Okay, then you're gonna need a long nose or something that can hold. This is the printer head, and you pull it upward. Okay, and this is the most critical one. So this is the cable. Then I have to pull this. Okay, do not touch the contacts. It might get dirty, and it may cause short circuit for the printer head. That may cause for your board to be defective. So this is a printer head. It's very easy, and you must take care of this while handling this one. Do not touch the circuits, the nozzles here, this one. Be careful with that. So that's it for the part 5, the printer head. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you how to replace and remove the motherboard or the logic board, this one. Okay, thank you so much and see you next time. Alright, that's it. If there is something that you wanted to learn, just comment below or direct message me in our Facebook page so I can make a video for it. And stay tuned for more updates. That's all. Thank you and see you next time.